Why do your dreams slip away the moment you wake up? Most people struggle to recall their nightly adventures. Recent studies suggest our inability to remember dreams might be an evolutionary safeguard, protecting our minds from the chaos of the dream world. This revelation opens up a Pandora's box of questions about consciousness, reality, and the very nature of our existence. Let's dive into the dark depths of dream amnesia and uncover the startling truth that might change how you view your sleeping hours forever. Understanding dream amnesia. During sleep, our minds enter a state of altered consciousness. The prefrontal cortex, responsible for logic and decision-making, takes a back seat while other areas light up with activity. This shift creates the perfect environment for dreams to flourish, vivid, often nonsensical experiences that feel real while we're in them. As soon as we wake up, these dreams start to fade. This phenomenon, known as dream amnesia, affects nearly everyone. Even the most vivid dreams can vanish within minutes of waking. Scientists have long puzzled over this peculiar aspect of human cognition. Why would our brains create such elaborate scenarios only to erase them almost immediately? Recent research points to a complex interplay of brain chemistry and evolutionary biology. As we transition from sleep to wakefulness, the chemicals that facilitate dream creation and memory formation shift dramatically. This chemical cocktail makes it difficult for dreams to transfer from short-term to long-term memory storage. Now let's get into the sinister reasons behind why you can't remember your dreams. 1. The reality firewall theory. Your brain might be protecting you by erasing your dreams. Dreams often defy the laws of physics and logic. You might fly, breathe underwater, or experience impossible scenarios. If these memories lingered too vividly in your waking mind, they could blur the lines between dream and reality. Neuroscientists propose that our brains have evolved a sort of reality firewall, a mechanism that quickly suppresses dream memories to maintain our grasp on the real world. This theory suggests that individuals who retain too many dream memories might be more prone to confusing fantasy with reality, potentially leading to psychological issues. In a study of people with schizophrenia, researchers found that many had difficulty distinguishing between dreams and waking experiences. This blurring of lines between dream states and reality is a hallmark of certain mental health conditions. By forgetting our dreams, we might be reinforcing our understanding of what's real and what's not. 2. The emotional overload prevention system. Dreams aren't just random firing of neurons, they're often emotionally charged experiences. You might feel intense joy, paralyzing fear, or crushing sadness in your dreams. What would happen if all these intense emotions carried over into your waking life? Psychologists suggest that dream amnesia might serve as an emotional buffer. By forgetting the majority of our dreams, we're protected from an onslaught of unnecessary emotions that could overwhelm us in our daily lives. Have you ever woken up feeling residual anger or sadness from a dream, even when you can't remember the details? Now imagine if you remembered every emotionally charged dream vividly. You'd be starting each day with a backpack full of artificial emotional baggage. A study published in the Journal of Sleep Research found that people who reported higher dream recall also tended to score higher on measures of neuroticism and emotional sensitivity. This correlation suggests that there might be a protective aspect to forgetting dreams, shielding us from excessive emotional turmoil. 3. The subconscious sorting station. What if forgetting dreams is actually part of how we process and integrate information? Some researchers propose that dreams serve as a sort of subconscious sorting station, where our brains sift through the day's experiences, consolidating important memories and discarding unnecessary details. In this theory, the act of forgetting dreams isn't a bug, it's a feature. As we dream, our brains are busy categorizing experiences, solving problems, and making connections. But once this process is complete, there's no need to remember the dream itself. The important bits have already been filed away in our long-term memory. A study in the journal Nature Neuroscience found that during sleep, our brains replay and strengthen neural pathways associated with learning new skills. This happens whether we remember dreaming about the skill or not. This might explain why you sometimes wake up with a solution to a problem you've been puzzling over, even if you don't remember dreaming about it. Your subconscious mind has been hard at work, and the forgetting of the dream is simply the cleanup process after a productive night of mental sorting. 4. The creativity crucible. Dreams have long been associated with creativity. From Mary Shelley's Frankenstein to Paul McCartney's Yesterday, many great works of art and innovation have been inspired by dreams. What if forgetting dreams is actually crucial to the creative process? Some cognitive scientists propose that the partial remembering of dreams might be more beneficial for creativity than total recall. When we wake with only fragments of a dream, our conscious minds start to fill in the gaps. In a study published in the journal Sleep, researchers found that people who were awakened during REM sleep, when most vivid dreaming occurs, showed increased creative problem-solving abilities. This boost in creativity wasn't directly related to dream content, but rather to the process of emerging from the dream state. 5. The memory consolidation mechanism. Sleep isn't just a time for rest, it's a crucial period for memory consolidation. During sleep, particularly during the REM stage when most dreaming occurs, our brains are busy transferring information from short-term to long-term memory. Some scientists believe that dream amnesia might actually be a side effect of this memory consolidation process. As our brains work to strengthen important memories, the dream narratives themselves are often sacrificed. A study in the journal Cell reported that the same brain mechanisms that help us forget unnecessary details while awake are also active during sleep. This suggests that forgetting dreams might be part of a larger memory optimization process. Think of it like clearing your computer's cache. By forgetting dreams, your brain might be freeing up mental resources and strengthening the memories that really matter for your waking life. This theory could explain why we sometimes remember fragments of dreams that relate to our current concerns or recent experiences. These elements might be part of the memories being consolidated, while the surrounding dream narrative fades away. 6. The Parallel Universe Protection Program. Some theoretical physicists propose the existence of parallel universes, alternate realities where different versions of our lives play out. What if it has something to do with our dreams? Some fringe theories suggest that dreams might be glimpses into these parallel realities. In this view, dream amnesia could be a protective mechanism preventing us from becoming too aware of these alternate lives. While this idea remains firmly in the realm of speculation, it's not entirely without scientific basis. Quantum physics has shown that particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously until observed. Some philosophers and scientists have extrapolated this to suggest the possibility of multiple realities. A study published in Physical Review X demonstrated that it's theoretically possible for two observers to experience different realities. While this doesn't prove the existence of parallel universes, it does hint at the complex nature of reality. If there's any truth to this theory, then forgetting dreams could be crucial for maintaining our sense of a single coherent reality. It's as if our brains have instituted a parallel universe protection program, shielding us from the mind-bending implications of multiple selves and realities. 7. The evolutionary advantage of forgetting. Let's take a step back and look at dream amnesia from an evolutionary perspective. Why would our brains evolve to forget dreams if remembering them provided an advantage? Some evolutionary psychologists propose that forgetting dreams might have been beneficial for our ancestors' survival. In a harsh, prehistoric world, dwelling on dreams could be a dangerous distraction. Imagine a caveman preoccupied with last night's dream while a predator lurks nearby. A study in the journal Frontiers in Psychology suggested that dream amnesia might be an adaptive trait that helped early humans distinguish between threatening real-world memories and non-threatening dream scenarios. By quickly discarding dream memories, our ancestors could focus on real dangers and opportunities in their environment. This theory is supported by research showing that threatening or survival-related dream content is more likely to be remembered than neutral content. It's as if our brains have a priority system, only retaining dream information that might be crucial for survival. Moreover, The ability to distinguish between memory sources, differentiating between events we've experienced, imagined, or dreamed, is crucial for effective decision-making. By limiting dream recall, our brains might be streamlining this process, helping us focus on memories that are most relevant to our survival and success. 8. The consciousness calibration tool. What if forgetting dreams is actually crucial for maintaining our sense of self? Some philosophers and neuroscientists propose that our consciousness, our subjective experience of being us, needs constant recalibration. Dreams, and our forgetting of them, might play a key role in this process. During sleep, our brains cycle through different states of consciousness. We move from wakefulness to light sleep, then to deep sleep, and finally to REM sleep, where most vivid dreaming occurs. Each of these states represents a different configuration of our consciousness. A study published in the journal Trends in Cognitive Sciences suggested that this cycling through different states of consciousness might be essential for maintaining a stable sense of self during wakefulness. By experiencing and then forgetting these alternate states, we reinforce our waking consciousness as our true state. Think of it like resetting a computer. By rebooting through different states, sleep stages, and then clearing the cache, forgetting dreams, your brain ensures that your waking consciousness runs smoothly. This theory could explain why people who remember too many dreams sometimes report feeling disconnected from reality or experiencing a blurred sense of self. Their brains might not be fully resetting between sleep and wakefulness. 9. The quantum mind reset. As we near the end of our exploration, let's venture into the cutting edge of neuroscience and quantum physics. Some researchers are beginning to explore the idea that our brains might operate, at least in part, on a quantum level. Quantum mechanics deals with the behavior of matter and energy at the molecular, atomic, nuclear, and even smaller microscopic levels. At this scale, the rules of classical physics break down, and particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously, a phenomenon known as superposition. A controversial theory proposed by physicist Roger Penrose and anesthesiologist Stuart Hameroff suggests that consciousness arises from quantum processes in structures called microtubules within brain neurons. If this theory holds any water, it could have profound implications for our understanding of dreams and memory. In this quantum view of the mind, dreaming could be a state where our brains explore multiple possibilities simultaneously, like a biological quantum computer. The act of waking up and forgetting dreams might be analogous to a quantum system collapsing into a single state upon observation. A study published in the journal Physics of Life Reviews explored the possibility of quantum effects in biological systems, including the brain. While far from conclusive, this research opens up new avenues for understanding consciousness and memory. If our brains do indeed leverage quantum processes, then dream amnesia might be a necessary reset, allowing our quantum mind to start each day fresh, unencumbered by the myriad possibilities explored during sleep.